In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Git on Windows. So I have Chrome open here and I'm gonna search for Git Bash. Go to this website and click here download for Windows. Keep. It's finished downloading, so I'm gonna install it. This path is fine for me. So here now you have a few options. I'm most interested in this Windows Explorer integration, because when you right click you're gonna get these thingies, and I don't need the Git GUI, so I'm not gonna have the GUI, but I will have Git Bash here because that's gonna give me Git's command line with Linux capabilities, which is much better and easier to use than command prompt in Windows. So I'm just gonna have this Git Bash here clicked. Okay, and if you want the GUI, you can have it as well, but I'm not going to have it. So I'm just gonna have it like so and leave the rest as it is and click next. This is fine. Here I'm gonna use this recommended option. Here as well, so next. And I'm on Windows, so I'm just gonna leave this as it is, but you can check this one as well. And you can change this later on if you want. So anyway, I'm just gonna have the first one checked, but if you use multiple OSs, you can use this middle option as well. This is fine as well. These ones are fine as well. I'm not gonna enable this experimental thingy, so I'm just gonna click install finally. And I'll uncheck this and click finish. So now, if I go to my desktop and right click, I can see Git Bash here now. I'm gonna click that and it's gonna open the location where I am at the moment. So desktop in this case. So as I said, this command line tool in my opinion is much better than a Windows command prompt, so you can use it for command line commands as well, instead of command prompt, where you would use command prompt if you wish. But anyway, about Git, now to check if Git is installed, I'm gonna say git space version. And it is installed, and the last thing to do is to set up the username and the user email. And to do that, I'm gonna say git space config space --global user.name, and in double quotes I'm gonna give myself a username, which is gonna be Voya in my case. Enter, and the email as well. So I'm just gonna press up to get the last line I typed, and I'm just gonna change name here to email. And this doesn't have to be your actual email, it can be anything, just something to identify you by. So I'm just gonna say voya@gmail.com, which isn't really my email, but it's gonna work for this purpose. Enter. And that should do it. As far as setting up Git goes, you can also do git config and --global and --list. And now you can check your name and email to see if you set it up correctly. And that's it for this video.